If you're dipping your toe into digital art, or if you're already using a mouse, a drawing tablet is a must-have tool that you should have in your arsenal. Heck, it should be your main weapon. There are a lot of drawing tablets out there. Comparing the different models can easily become overwhelming. In this video, we will show you some of the best drawing tablets for professional use. If you are a gadget lover and like to watch videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. Wacom CTL472K1A1 Small. The Wacom CTL472K1A1 is the perfect drawing tablet for beginners. This model is compact and measures only 8.30 by 5.70 by 0.30 inches and weighs only 0.99 pounds, so you can carry it with you easily. Its 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution won't help you much if you're making extremely detailed illustrations or architectural plans. However, the working area of 6 by 3.7 inches and pressure sensitivity of 4096 levels is enough to draw simple illustrations, editing photos, or making smaller graphics. It is compatible with most programs, such as Adobe Photoshop, Corel Draw, Corel Painter, Sketchbook, Manga Studio, Paint Tool SAI, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, OSD, and more. The CTL472K1A1 Small doesn't have any buttons on the board, but the battery-free stylus has customizable buttons to make shortcuts for your most used features. Huion Inspiroi Ink H320M. The second drawing tablet on this list, the Huion Inspiroi Ink H320M, is also a beginner model. This tablet has a dual function. It can work as an LCD writing tablet and a pen drawing tablet. With a working area of 10 inches, this coin cell battery-powered tablet gives you enough space to create your art, whether you're in animation, illustration, or graphic design. It is a non-display tablet, just like the previous one. This model is extremely customizable, with 11 programmable press keys that you can set according to your needs. The battery-free stylus offers 5080 LPI, which is pretty good for a tablet in this price range, and has 2 programmable press keys to switch between the eraser and the brush. The pressure sensitivity is double the previous one, with 8192 levels, which enables you to be as accurate as possible with your work. Also, the drawing tablet features the Clear All button that erases all the marks you make on the drawing tablet. It doesn't have any buttons on the board, but the battery-free stylus has customizable buttons to make shortcuts for your most used features. Wacom CTL6100 WLK0 Intuos Medium. Another Wacom model, the CTL6100 WLK0 Intuos Medium, is the perfect drawing tablet for digital art or animation, as it has intuitive controls and comes with complimentary software once you register the device on the Wacom site. You can also connect it to your Android device with the OTG connector that is sold separately. The CTL6100 WLK0 is powered by a battery and connects via a USB or Bluetooth 4.2 to your computer. It has 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, as well as 2540 LPI on the stylus. The pen is battery-free and has 2 customizable buttons and comes with 3 extra nibs. It's extremely easy to set the tablet up and set the 4 shortcut keys on the upper working area. This drawing tablet is compatible with all major programs and comes with 3 complementary programs: Clip Studio Paint Pro, Corel Painter Essential 7, and Corel Aftershot Pro 3. You can also register to get 3-month trials of Entex software for teachers. Gaomin PD1161. The fourth drawing tablet on the list offers a variety of different controls, even for experienced professionals and artists, as well as online teaching and remote meetings since it works with software like Zoom. The model has a working area size of 10 by 5.6 inches, which is sufficient for a 1920 by 1080 resolution on your monitor. It's perfect for animation, sketching, graphic design, and illustration. There are 8 shortcut buttons, such as scrolling and zooming in or out for easier maneuverability. The battery-free pen comes with 8 additional nibs. It offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and has 2 programmable buttons for easy shortcuts and 5080 LPI for more detailed work. The PD1161 is compatible with software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, Manga Studio, Corel Painter, Lightroom, Sketchbook Pro, Fire Alpaca, Open Canvas, Paint Tool SAI 2, and Krita. This is a drawing tablet, meaning that you can see directly what you're drawing on the board, but it still has to be connected to your laptop to work. XP Pen Artist 15.6. With a big 13.5 by 7.7 inch working area that gives you a 4K resolution on your monitor, the 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity to modify the thickness of various brushes and pens. It has 6 customizable buttons that you can set up according to your work needs. This model comes with battery-free passive stylus that gives you fluidity in your creations and comes with 8 replacement nibs. It has 2 customizable buttons and a 5080 LPI to help you get into detail, especially if you do illustration or architectural plans. It is equipped with an LED backlight and can be used for online teaching and remote meetings since it's compatible with XSplit, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Twitch, Idru, Scribier, EasyTalks Webinar, and WYSIWYQ. It's not too expensive and has some great features. Its area size 13.5 by 7.7 inches, pen resolution of 5080 LPI, pressure sensitivity of 8,192 levels, and it is also compatible with both Windows and Mac. This drawing tablet is compatible with most software programs, including Clip Studio, Photoshop, Painter, and Illustrator. Gaomon PD2200 Pen Display Tablet. Another model from Gaomon, the PD2200 Pen Display Tablet isn't only a drawing tablet, but also doubles as a display for all your online meetings and work. However, let's focus on its digital creation purpose. It works wonders in the graphic design, drawing, 3D artwork, or animation domain due to its large working area of 18.7 by 10.5 inches. The 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity are more than enough to give you the perfect brushstroke. The battery-free pen with tilt support function allows for superior control and stunning fluidity and comes with 8 replacement nibs. It has 2 programmable buttons you can set according to your choosing. Apart from being compatible with Windows and Mac, this drawing tablet works with numerous programs such as Photoshop, Cyversion 2, Illustrator, Krita, Sketchbook Pro, Metaband, Fire Alpaca, GIMP, and Paint Pro. Wacom PTH 660p Intuos Pro. With the Wacom PTH 660p Intuos Pro, we entered a completely new dimension of drawing tablets. Whether you want to work digitally or use the good old paper while you work, the Wacom Intuos Pro paper offers endless possibilities. Although it offers a rather small working area of 8.7 by 5.8 inches, the PTH 660p is extremely versatile and fits 5,080 LPI inside of that small area. It has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and lag-free tracking with the Pro Pen 2 technology. The biggest innovation on this model is the paper clip on the frame, which enables you to use paper to sketch or draw. It's a dream come true for those who like the feel of paper and miss it in their digital work. It can connect wirelessly to a mobile device in paper mode, and it is compatible with most designing and editing software. You will have to charge the lithium metal batteries, and a full charge will last you approximately 5 hours. With 8.7 by 5.8 inches working area, 5,080 LPI pen resolution, and 8,192 levels pressure sensitivity, this tablet is compatible with Windows 7 or later. So, there you have it. The drawing tablets featured above are the best in class. Let us know which one you choose for your art. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel.